We bought this F-body Firebird roller for $1,000, and since then, it's been our project drag car. Now, we ain't made of money around here, so we do everything ourselves. That way we can spend the cash on the parts that matter. I'm Josh, and I like whiskey, and I like going fast. And you're watching High Noon Racing on YouTube. Whew. All right, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of High Noon Racing. So, it is Sunday still. You know, we just finished this video about putting the transmission in and taking it back out. This right here is a $12 part from Amazon. This is what we need to fix our issue. Well, we got two issues, but we'll get to that. So this is going to fix our immediate issue to where we can put that transmission back up in there. And that's what we're going to do. Now, my boy Chuck is here, and he gets a little camera shy. So, yeah, I don't really know what to say. He's going to have to deal with it. This will slip over the snout on the torque converter, and it'll slip in the crank on the engine. So that's what we're going to do now, and then we're going to throw that transmission back up in there. And then I'll show you the second issue we're going to deal with. This little spacer right here, it's a little dirty. Actually, so this side will slide up in that crank real good, and it will slide over the snout real good after we hit it with this here Scotch-Brite. Nothing like a little Scotch-Brite, baby. What you think about that, Chuck?
I don't know, man.
A little Scotch-Brite ain't never hurt nobody.
Looking good from over here, bub.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm thinking if we hammer it, a little tap brewski. Yeah, a little motivation. All right, I'm fired. Chuck, you're hired. Oh, this is a lot easier now. Oh yeah, I think you're right. I'm sitting on that weld bit. Chuck. No, you're doing good. You're doing good. Oh, no. Chuck, I gotta tell you, I'm gonna pay $12 for this on Amazon.
Yeah?
It fit in there perfect.
Can't beat that.
I'm China, communist, but
Chinese, make the car go fast.
hey, she's gonna work. She's gonna work. Oh, what happened?
Let's go start jacking.
Oh, we're jacking. Oh, she's a little rough. You might want to.
Oh, it's crunchy.
Oh yeah, she's a little.
I'll see you.
Sat out in Chris's yard for about a year and a half.
You can jack her and jack her.
Yep. Oh. Live action.
Dude, I was thinking of the sock works.
What, really?
Get out of my head.
For those of you that do not know yet, me and Chuck get accused a lot of being brothers.
Quarter of this thing is off the ground.
Oh,
Get me real anxious.
did you see that thing, Buck? Huh? Oh. No, buddy. Oh, I forgot to cut the other side.
What do you mean cut the other side?
There's where the coolant line goes. I need to cut it real quick. I'm glad I remembered. You won't be able to get a fitting on it. Dude, this thing is slid about halfway off of this.
His back wheel's off the ground, dude.
Oh yeah, she got a little gangster lean to her. She got an attitude, alright? Alright, I just need it.
Probably went from Home Depot, didn't you?
Don't tell my secrets now.
They use all the crooked trees to make other.
They don't lie to the people at YouTube. I done stepped on it. Yeah, it was bad.
The wheel of death.
Oh, that's hot on the inner side. It's beaming me right in the face, Chuck. It's so daggone hot.
Okay. Getting that long skinny hammer.
Watch out. Coming your way.
Bring it on.
Oh my God. This communist. Oh!
What's coming my way?
Yeah. Last night I got on that turkey pretty heavy,
Yeah.
and I wrote the words glory up in there because I felt like it was meant to be.
The glory hole?
Oh yeah, I see daylight. We definitely went up in the passenger area.
That's good.
No, I think it's cool.
Good.
Give you a little piece of action there. Okay, I gotta make one more cut. Snip this joker off because I don't think it's gonna.
That'll break.
Yep, you're right. She goes. Round and round.
Huh. Quality, dude.
That's quality.
You ain't even gotta grind that. You just leave that old jacket, chop your fingers up, and you're putting that line on.
Yeah, we only gave ourselves like a 1/4 inch, but I'll take it. Thanks. Yeah, pinch the butt cheeks. You'll get it. I'm gonna be looking for that later.
I'll walk around with bear traps over here. Jesus Christ, dude.
What? What happened?
There's more sand on this towel than underneath it.
Yeah, dude. It's a beach. It's a beach landscape.
People like pay to just hang out in environments like this. Just out in the sun on some sand.
Chuck,
What's up, Bubby?
I think you a billionaire in disguise. You just need to make a tiki bar out at your ranch.
Tiki bar where you can just lay underneath shit boxes and put transmissions in.
Yeah. People will think it's great because they get to be around folks like
This
us.
is my favorite part right here.
They're like, oh, the cracking wood sound.
That and like that wheel not even remotely close to the
This
ground.
thing is heavy leaning my way. And if you look where it's at on this thing, I need,
wrong way.
I need to give it a shove your way.
Give her a shove, bub. This is terrifying. You got a thing here that's in the way with a bolt that's too tight. Move it. There we go. Oh my God!
Put it back! Put it back! That's what you did! It's going down!
Don't let it go down.
Chuck!
I didn't do that.
You Chuck, she's going down.
Don't let it come down.
I'm gonna hit it with my toe. Chuck!
What?
That ain't how it was supposed to go. We didn't quite rehearse. I'm gonna let her down easy.
Let it down.
Things just got a little bit harder. To back up, I don't want nobody to get too barred. Alright.
Alright.
You know what's gonna happen?
What's gonna happen?
I'm gonna have to get my big squirrely arm under here.
Yeah.
Freaking manhandle it back up here. Alright, so don't forget my arm is gonna be under this, but I'm gonna like shimmy it up.
Okay.
So
Let's do some shimmying, buddy.
You get where you want to get to. Ow! God dang it.
Move it.
To man the jack. Okay.
Oh, so much in the way.
Oh, God.
Alright. I'm ready to show.
Oh, yeah, that ain't happening. Alright, Chuck. I'm gonna let it down.
Hey, you do that, man.
Yeah, it should kind of be easy. She goes nice and slow, though. About to fall off that jack.
Well, that's kind of terrifying.
Oh,
right at the nick of time, dude.
I do.
Let's try this one more time. She's already kicking forward.
It is possible.
What the hell is she doing? Did the thing break? Only one side's going up.
Is the knob tight?
Oh. Hey, yeah, that would help. Good on you, Chuck. Good on you.
Look at that. Here's what happens when you tighten it up. Oh my god. I didn't know this is the second.
Popping and sputtering, boy. Oh, god dang, hit my. Oh my god.
A little more finesse. Let's breathe more.
Oh no, she's sketchy and she's shaking. Don't get no
Yeah, I'm just trying to.
PTSD now. We gotta move
I'm
it.
spooked a bit, I gotta tell you.
You ain't gonna be spooked, Chuck. You just gotta grab her and give her the paws. Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff today.
Hot rod, man.
Alright.
Start you a bolt over there?
Huh?
You gonna start you a bolt over there?
I gotta move your way. I could start one. That's actually a good idea. Problem is, which one? Okay. Yeah, it's a 14. You ain't got a 14, do you?
No.
I do right here.
I got a 15.
That zips that way. Here's your 15.
I like there's just different size bolts all over the place.
I like them. Oh, thank God. It's a 13. It's like I like how I'm zipping and it ain't moving. Thank God. It ain't stripped. It's just a 13.
It's the wrong size.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I hear you, man.
Hey, earlier when I tossed my vape, where the hell did I throw it?
Right in the door of the car. I don't know. You gave a little wing to it, so there's no telling.
I don't see it.
Surprised it didn't bust out the passenger window and come out the other side.
That's all right. That's weight reduction.
Don't come over here and open this door and knock all the in my face.
Close your eyeballs.
Don't do that to me.
Come on, I gotta get my vape.
Dude.
Now, come on.
I got dirt in my eye, stopping you from getting dirt in my eyes.
How does that work?
There's some dirt all over me.
There ain't much dirt under there, dude. What do you mean?
Nothing but dirt.
Welcome to the dirt, dude. Sandlot. All right, look.
Oh my God.
We're about 10 minutes away from calling it. I got my vapor. I'm good. Oh, yeah, that's the right size there. Gotta make sure she lined up before I give her the beans. Oh, that's where the camera comes in handy. That's
So,
yeah?
we may have an issue.
What are you talking mess? You talking mess right now.
Okay.
What's an issue?
Just plug in on this alternator.
Oh, yeah, I know about that.
Looks like it's about broke off.
Yeah, I know. It's still working though. I promise you. I checked. I'm a neutral drop. Hold the phone. Oh, baby. Couple extra horse torques. Okay, thankfully. All right. Pulling the strap off. Watch out. We good? We good. Oh, dude, the freaking tarp just flipped in the wind and all the dirt on it just went right into my crop. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Chuck's gone. Chuck's done went home. I've had plenty of wild turkey. Looks like I got some bruises and knots. No, Chuck didn't knock me up. That's just some dirt, on my hands and whatnot. Let me show y'all where we're gonna leave off for this video. Yep, the turbo ain't up in there right now. It's sitting right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld some joints on this with bolts so it's modular, it can move around, The engine is where we need it angled right now because the transmission is angled straight at the drive shaft, which is what we needed, but we didn't know that until we found that out. So now we know that. And yeah, so we ain't worried about nothing, just keep drinking your turkey, keep relaxing, doing the right thing, having a good time. I hope y'all enjoyed. I fell over that fender right there. You want one? You won't get one. It's just a fun little video to end off the weekend. Y'all probably seen this Monday, Tuesday, but just want to let you know all's well with the build. We on track, and that little Chinese piece of metal actually worked. I had to beat it on to the snub of the torque converter, and it slid right into the crank. So I'm happy with that. Whole point of that was to make sure that the torque converter and the crankshaft are going to stay in line, and it's gonna do that. I know it will. So you ain't gonna fret no more. We're gonna sand it, and I promise y'all gonna see. It'll be all right. We gonna go as fast as we can. Are you listening? Because we're gonna do our best. All right. Other than that, catch y'all on the next one. Your way.
Give her a shove, bub. Oh. This is terrifying. You got a thing here that's in the way with a bolt that's too tight. Move it. There we go. Oh my god! Put it back. Put it back.